In today's article, we are going to be speaking about Article Forge, which is a software that allows you to generate AI-created content in a matter of mere minutes. The premise behind this software is that by using artificial intelligence and deep learning, you will be able to create completely unique, on-topic, and high-quality articles at the click of a button. We're going to look into whether these claims are correct and review Article Forge along with its various competitors to see which is the best software for your specific needs. Artificial intelligence, is it the future? In 2021, the word AI, or artificial intelligence, is being thrown around like there is no tomorrow. Many software claim that they are able to create articles in various different niches. When it comes to Article Forge, the premise is that you can create articles in the technology niche, in the local niche, in the business niche, in the health niche, and even in the finance niche. All by simply entering a keyword, waiting 60 seconds, and then receiving the article. Article Forge also has a free trial, so you can check and review whether getting a membership at the site is the right fit for you. Article Forge, a deep review. So as we said, Article Forge claims that you can create content in 60 minutes or so, or rather 60 seconds or so, by entering a keyword and pressing a button. When it comes to the features, and when you look a bit more in depth into this tool, it states that you can generate unique based articles that pass Copyscape. It also integrates with Word AI and allows automatic publishing to WordPress. Finally, another thing to note is that Article Forge can create articles that range between 200 words and 750 words. So on paper, all of this looks to be a good number of features. However, does it live up to expectations? Article Forge, the pros and the cons. As you can see on this site, an extensive test was done to check whether Article Forge actually lives up to expectations. When it comes to the articles that were generated, the author tried two tests, one with a short article and one with a longer article. When it comes to the short article, the article length was set to be 250 words. In exchange, Article Forge returned an article that was a bit shorter than that, however that made sense in general. What this means is that the article had a 2% Copyscape score, which means that it was able to be used online, and it made quite a lot of sense. This does not mean that no edits needed to be done, but in general these were few and far in between. The writer of this blog post then took it to the next level by asking Article Forge to create a 750 words blog post, which he received after 2 minutes. The problem with this was that it was garbage. The language didn't make much sense, and the article that was created ended up being a bit out of subject. This means that the results can be hit and miss, and in a way that is why creating articles during your free trial might be a good idea if you're interested in this kind of software. When it comes to the advantages and disadvantages, the advantages is the advantage that you can create articles that have videos and images embedded within them. There's an unlimited amount of articles that can be created, and you have a trial option where you can check out the software. The disadvantages are that the maximum words are 750. The content generated is sometimes a bit unrelated, and improvements are still needed in order to make the software totally hands-free. Article Forge alternatives. How do the competitors fare? There are quite a few number of competitors that you can try out and use if you are interested in AI generated content. The direct competitor is called Spin Rewriter, and it also offers a 5-day free trial, and then it is priced at a slightly higher rate per month. There are also tools like Word AI, SEO Content Machine, Spinner Chief, the Best Spinner, and a whole lot of options. Conclusion. Using Article Forge has its place. However, if you are trying to just use Article Forge and publish articles directly, you might be in for a nasty surprise. The articles that are produced by any AI content generator at the moment still need touches and inputs from a human to make sure that they actually make sense and that they are ready to be put live on the internet. With that said, if you are someone that suffers from writer's block and looking at that blinking cursor on an empty page gives you the creeps, then an AI content generator might be a good solution as a starting point. Other than that, AI content generators are still a long way off from being indistinguishable from humans.